Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect to Wi-Fi on Ubuntu. First, open your system menu, usually found in the top right corner of your screen. Next, click on the Wi-Fi icon to reveal available networks. Then, select the network you wish to join. If prompted, enter the network's password. This guide will help you establish a stable wireless connection, whether your network is visible or hidden, and address common problems you might encounter. To connect to a visible Wi-Fi network, begin by clicking the system menu in the top right of your desktop. From there, select the Wi-Fi option to expand the list of available networks. Click on the name of the network you want to join. If the network is password protected, a prompt will appear for you to enter the security key. After entering it, click Connect, and your system should establish a connection within a few seconds. Connecting to a hidden Wi-Fi network requires a few extra steps. First, open the system menu, then click on Wi-Fi settings. Look for an option like Connect to Hidden Network or a three-dot menu to find it. You will need to manually enter the exact network name, also known as the SSID, and select the correct security type, such as WPA2 Personal. Finally, input the network's password and click Connect to establish your connection. If you encounter Wi-Fi issues, start by checking basic settings. Make sure your Wi-Fi is switched on and airplane mode is off. Often, restarting the Network Manager service or simply rebooting your computer can resolve many problems. If connectivity persists, consider checking for updated wireless drivers or performing a quick reset of your router. These steps address common issues, helping you restore your internet connection efficiently.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.